beautiful out here, and this is my first time here. And please don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel. Look at what we got here. It's awesome. Scarlett is here. We probably come back next time here, and we will bring our kayak, Scarlett. Nag-video ako.
Ay, sige. Update mo na lang sila dito.
Siyempre, kasama yung aming ano.
Update mo yung asawa. Walang signal.
Saglit lang.